Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading making this video about gold. So let's get started. And this is the chart. This is the latest daily chart I made it's on 4th April, I guess. So the idea was that this is the end of wave 3, and then this is A, B, C sideway correction, a flat, regular flat correction for wave 4. If it is wave 4, then I said we're gonna go up for this blue count wave 5, which will end this wave 3 to the upside. So that was the idea, and then the prices started to go up. So I followed up with this chart, with my Renko chart setup. That okay, this is it retraced, and then now it is went up, and then it retraced again at 61% and bouncing from there. So I made the chart and I posted on the Telegram and Forex Factory and all that, different places, right? So that everybody can take advantage of it. The target was for this chart was this 23% line. Right? So from 61, usually it goes back to 23. Now, after that, a price can do two things. I mean, price can always do only those two things, either go up or down, right? But you have to pinpoint where that thing happened, right? So on the 23% line, either it goes up for extension, for like the first target is this high, the second is 127%, the third is 161%, and so on and so forth. And if it is going to go down because of some kind of fundy or something, of some catalyst, right? Some outside force it to go down, then from 61 to 23, it usually go back from 23 to 78 to make a harmonic pattern called Gertley, right? Which let me give you the idea that what really happened, both scenarios. Okay, by the way, after this chart, right? After this chart, or the idea is that as always on my, for example, this chart for let's say for this one, it says where the heck it go here. See all my charts. So the opening the trade strategy is after having a reversal candle on 40-minute, wait for 7-minute entry. So that's the idea in all my trading, right? So I was waiting for long entry and I got one, and this is how it ended up, right? Bear in mind that gold daily range is around like 1,500, 1,600. It moves big, right? So, taking out at like 7, 800, 1,000 pip, it's not a problem if you know what you're doing, right? So this is the trade, and then we end up like this. Exactly same place as I mentioned that we are going to go, right? So we hit that and we got kind of like a stopping there. So after that, I made another chart saying that well, let me explain that this one here. I have the chart. So now, like I said, that from 61, it goes to 23. And then now from 23% line, we have two choices. Either it's going to go for this or 127 or 161 extension, or come back down to 78% to make a Gertle pattern or a bad pattern or something, right? It is based on this chart. So you see this XA, this is 61% we had, and then we went up to 23% line. Now the choice is that either if we pop here above it and then I find a long entry in the volume time, then definitely it is going for first this high, then second this target, fourth, fifth, and all of that, right? But if for some reason it is dropping and I have a reversal candle here to the downside, bearish reversal candle, then I'll be looking for a short and take it to 78% or 88%, right? So that's why, and then by the way, 61, 23, 78 makes a Girdley pattern which looks like this 61, 23, 78, right? And then it goes up. That's the idea, right? Or it can go down. If it is this one is 50, then can go down to 88% and make a bad pattern just like this one. 38 to 50. Then again, 23% line comes into play, and then we drop to 88% and then go to the upside. So since we had 61%, let me see where the heck that chart is. This one. So this was 61%, then 23%, and I was expecting 78%, right? So what happened to that chart? That we came down straight. I made this chart that, okay, if we're going to go down, we're going to go down to 78%, and look what happened. right? Now, coming down here, I didn't take any trade. Why? Because I was busy in Bitcoin, right? Remember, I always tell you in my videos that one day I did, do gold, the other day, like Bitcoin, whichever way, wherever I see a good opportunity. Now, this one, I was expecting that is going to go up for wave 5. So I was interested only in long rather than short, right? So I said, okay, let it come down here and see if we bounce from this area, 46.55, and this is 78%, which we did, right? And after that, I got my entries, and then look, this is on the 12th, right? So I got entry on 12, like this. We start bouncing, and this is the long entry. Buy order is right there on the 12th, 600 pip to the upside, right? Then the next day it retraces a little bit, and then the next day drama starts again. Remember, every day 16 to 1700. In fact, more than that. Let me just go and then where do I have it? I have the daily range thingy somewhere. Yeah, the heck happened here, man? It's not here. It's right there. See the daily range indicator? It is telling me that average 60-day range is 1800. Right? Yesterday it did 1000. Today so far it has done 440. So eight out of 1800. If it is really moving, then you can easily catch 1000, 1200, not a problem, right? So this is only 1600, not a big deal, right? If you know exactly what you're doing. Then on the 12th, then on the 13th, 345 pip after a little bit dipping, and then it started to go up again the next day. And then today, here we go. 330 pip entry again. So this became bearish, and then again, boom, bullish, entry, 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 all of that. Right. So this is how my analysis is. And finally, what happened so far? We are at this. I mean, at the time of recording, but now we probably have, more than this high. Let me see. We go here. This is the live chart, daily. What the heck happened here? Not daily, man. Okay, see this one? I was pointing that from 61, 23, 78, and then we go back to 23, but we are here right now. This is the current chart right now, live. Okay, so Girdley is done and played out very well and gave me 3 trades. 1, 2, 3 on the 12th, on the 13th, and on the 14th today. Now, what is happening? That if we consider that this is like wave 1 and ABC correction 2, then we need 3, and 3 will have 5 subwaves within it, right? Maybe this is the one, the wave 1, and then we will come down for wave 2, then 3, 4, 5 to the upside. If we need to come down, that means that USD need to get strong a little bit. All right, which I already have the chart, and I send out to my, let me show it to you guys anyway, here in this video. Let me see if I can have it here. And it is USD need to get strong a little bit, and this is the one. Now, why? Because see this, pull the fib from here to here. We had the 50%, 11.6%, but not a proper, harmonic pattern, but a proper extension. First extension is 127, second is 161. So we hit the 127, and we are sitting there right now, ready to be and get a bounce. Right. So let's see if we bounce from here, we can easily drop. Then the gold is gonna drop, and then it's gonna go up here, make a short setup again, then go for 161%, and so on and so forth. So with the bottom line is that I'm not gonna go long now. I'll wait for it. See this much length. After that, you have a retracement. So this is equal to almost this one, right? So even if we're going for wave 3 to the upside, they're gonna be like wave 1, and then 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, something like that. So this is what the gold is doing, and I'm all over it right now. And let's see what happens. So yeah, I got a lot of email that what gold is doing and how you doing. And so I said, let me make the video. Right now, another thing is that a lot of people are not using MT4 because I'm using MT4. All of these that I showed you is on MT4. Right. And a lot of people are asking if we can convert this, especially my CTS7 robot that opens the trade automatically and plays the SL and all of that. into MT5 and Ninja and all of that, right? So finally we got it done, and even yesterday I mentioned it. I'm gonna mention again and again in every video so that the people can get it if whoever using MT5 instead of MT4, right? So MT5 has the same Renko chart system available, and CTS7 is also working perfectly, just like it is working on our MT4, same as Ninja Trader right now. And he is also, my son is still, I think is still working on a C Trader, finalizing it, and the Trading View, so that my CTS7 robot can. Trading View, we have a doubt because they don't allow EA opening the trades, right? Automatic robots. But at least C Trader, we will convert that. So we will have MT4, MT5, Ninja, and C Trader. Any one of you wanna one of these platform that you wanna use, you can use the system, the Renko system, and entry system, and CTS7 will work as well. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful next trading day. And let me go back. It's 10 p.m. I'm gonna rest a little bit, and I'll be all over this market in London session. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.